Hey everyone, it's your girl Kimberly, and today I'm doing a full review on an unboxing that I did about a month ago. But before I get into the review, do me a solid. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I want to grow the channel, so your support in doing all of that will help it grow, and I would totally appreciate it. Now, let's get into the review. Let's get into the truth. Now, I tell you the truth all the time, but today, this right here, Sauvage Exilir, is a sexy ass mofo. And yes, I didn't say the whole word, but you know what I'm talking about. From the time you spray this until it does this transition down to when it settles in the skin, it is alluring, it is decadent, it is phenomenal. I mean, when you spray it, you get this citrus, warm and spicy. Then you go lavender, you get the floral, a little bit of floral in there. But once you get down to those base notes, when it settles down, you're getting a woody, you're getting a musk smell, you're getting that patchouli, you're getting the Haitian Vetiver. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but it's Vetiver or Vetiver. I'm not sure, so I apologize if I screwed that up. But you're getting all of that in there, which makes it a fall and winter fragrance. Now, how I see the modern man who exudes confidence, who is powerful, who knows what he wants, I see him wearing a turtleneck, a blazer, a pair of jeans, a pair of chukkas, something like this ensemble right over there. Now, when he wears this, the longevity of this is about 8 hours plus. Actually, I smelled it the next day when I woke up, and it still had a bit of a flavor to it. You could smell it, okay? As far as the projection goes, I sprayed this in my bedroom, and you can smell it all the way down to the living room, and it's pretty far from those two places. Now, as far as the sillage goes, don't worry about it. Put it on your arms. Well, since it's winter time, you have sweaters on, so put it, right here. You're gonna smell it. When you walk in the room, you are going to command attention. Yes, people are gonna say, men and women, wow, what are you wearing? Excuse me, sir, what are you wearing? Now, this is more of a male scent. This is not a unisex scent. When I wore it, I did get compliments, but it was masculine. So just let you know, ladies, if you want to rock it, you're going to smell masculine. All right. So it's not unisex. I paid $155 for this. And you're probably saying, Kimberly, can I get a decent price fragrance? No. Let me tell you why. The cheaper you get an eau de toilette, you're gonna have to do a whole bunch of sprays to keep that longevity and keep the projection. Whereas with a more expensive cologne, all you need is two sprays out of this, which if you wanna make this your signature scent and you wanna do it maybe every other day, you can do that. And it's going to last you because you're only doing 2 sprays, whereas the other ones you're doing 5, 6, maybe even 7 sprays, then you're gonna have to redo it about 4 or 5 hours later. So yes, it is worth it to get the more expensive cologne because it's gonna last and you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. This doesn't smell like the other Sauvages. No, it doesn't. It has its own vibe. It has its own flavor. It just is phenomenal. I said that before, but it is. It smells so damn good. It does. Now, I highly recommend this. If you want to do a blind buy, check out the notes. I didn't say all the notes in this, but in the description below, I'm going to list all of the notes. So you can do a blind buy if you like the notes. And come back, give me a comment and say, Kimberly, you were right. It does smell good. So let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. I would totally appreciate that. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, stay cool, stay classy, and keep on killing it. Bye.